Alright, this is my 2012 Triumph Speedmaster. I'm gonna fire her up and let y'all listen to her. I got a British Customs bomber exhaust on her. I took off the air box and put on a pair of K&N air filters. Took off the secondary air injection system. Took off the O2 sensors and put NGK Iridium Spark plugs on it. Let's go ahead and fire up and see how she sounds. Beautiful piece of machinery. You see the zoom in here. There's the K&N air filter. Same one on the other side. That's where the secondary air intake was. Spark plugs underneath there. Where the evil O2 sensors were. Both sides. Took those off. British Customs. Big thank you to British Customs for these amazing pipes they made for this Speedmaster. All in all, the project took about 5 to 6 hours to complete. After getting the right cable to remap it with. Overall, nice bike. I love riding it. Like I said, I got about 2,000 miles on there. 2158 to be exact. So if you ever see me around, give me a wave. Thanks for watching.